everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian meat pie. With just simple ingredients in your kitchen, you can make this delicious recipe for your family. So this is weekend and I would love you to try this recipe. Preparing the filling, and the ingredients for the filling are diced Irish potatoes, fresh beef, which we are definitely going to grind, diced carrots, chopped onions, green peas, also salt and seasoning cube. We're going to be using this to grind our beef. Since I was unable to get minced meat from the supermarket, so I decided to make my own minced meat, which I'll be using this to dice the beef, to grind the beef rather. Have the minced meat. So let's prepare the filling. So in a pot, you pour some vegetable oil. You add in some onions, diced onion. You let that saute for a bit, and then you pour in the grinded beef or minced beef. So at this point, you can see the beef is no longer pink. You can now add your diced carrots and your fresh peas. Mix everything up together. You add pepper if you want it spicy. You add seasoning cube, add salt to taste, curry, add thyme for extra flavor too. Potatoes to this. You mix until it's well combined. You add some slurry, which is mixture of flour and water, and you cover and cook on a very low heat. Here is the filling for our meat pie. You leave it to cool for some minutes. It has to be totally cold. It has to be totally cold. Reason being that when you use hot filling for your meat pie, the filling melts the butter in the meat pie and you tend to have an open pie. So here's our mixing bowl, and for this recipe we'll be measuring 2 cups of flour because I'm making a very small quantity. So 2 cups of flour. If you don't have butter, you can also use margarine. So I'll be using margarine. be rolling this out.